right, YouTube, let's get this video rolling. We got my brother here. I'm here. Drove all the way up to Idaho a few days ago, going for a little turkey run. We're meeting up with the group. Yeah, that guy right there. Yep. Got his wife right there. And then we got homeboy behind her getting all fueled up and ready to go. And I'm already all fueled up and ready to go because I'm always ready to go. Got puppy butt right here. Yep. Let's get this day rolling on. Got loaded up and everything this morning. Ranch Runner's just been sitting on the trailer. Did the oil change on that yesterday. So other than that, let's get rolling. Let's have some fun today. Doing the raffle right now.
Oh, over there.
Jesus.
Hey.
Alright, well, I already messed up. I tried shooting up that mountain and I hammered in third gear mid-hill and I already broke the Ranch Runner. Well, I mean, I broke a U-joint.
You sheared a U-joint?
Yeah, it was cool. You see that hanging down? Well, you can't. Yeah, that right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go fix that real quick. And we'll get back on the trail. Hit that rat boy. Get the boy. Yeah. Let's get her done. What?
Fight me.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
Well, we came back to the shop and I forgot to video any of it, but we got the driveline fixed and grabbed a bunch of stuff that we forgot for our camping trip. Yeah, anything to say other than
we were so roughing it when we got to come back to the shop.
Got her done. You can't even see me anymore, but yeah. All right, good morning, peoples. Nice bright early morning. We're all fixed up. Got the whole group here. About to have our meeting. So we got a few fun games we're playing. One of them's like finding the flag, and so the event placer peoples, they went and put flags all around this desert. I mean, you know, hours within each other to go find. And we have a map of the first one, and when you get the first one, you go and there's I don't know, like a clue or a map for the next one. I'm not 100% sure, but we're about to talk all that in this meeting here in a second. And from there, we go mobbing and go get these flags and win. So let's see if we can win. There's some other rigs around. There's a lot of cool rigs around. We got Jeeps like crazy. I think I might be the only diesel here. Well, I think there's only two. But Jeeps, UTVs, Yoders, other Jeeps. We got a ton of people here that came this morning. Warren, come here. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun run. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I love this truck. Our brother's Jeep does real good. That thing soaks up bumps really well.
That we were just on, and
Yes.
that crossing right there.
Screw that cattle guard.
The heck?
All right, we found our next flag. Punch that thing. Punch it real good.
Just a
punch?
hole.
You're a hole.
All right, now.
Imagine that full whip going through a cattle car. Like, I wonder if it's gonna bend the post.
That's why I
thought
stopped.
your truck was gonna make it be like, "Nee."
Yeah. All right, we got this flag, and we're gonna keep on. We're gonna figure out where the heck we gotta go, and then go from there. Alrighty, we got our next position set. Good to go. We got some big old rocks right here. What? I think we just went on the wrong path. Alright, so we got our other flag. I've been doing stupid stuff and I keep on forgetting to record, but this truck needs a roll cage bad. I know a lot of you guys have said it already, but it's necessary. For the amount of stupidity you can do with this much power, it needs a roll cage for sure. Because I mean, I was just doing 65 right there on this trail. It's, oh man, all right. All right, so we got that flag. We're going to our last flag, and then there's a bonus flag that we're gonna go to after that. So we're mobbing back to the road to get that last main flag, and then we gotta like triangulate all this stuff to figure out the bonus flag, and then we'll be done. There's a few people that are ahead of us, but I mean, regardless, we're having a heck of a time. Way too much fun already. This entire day has just been awesome. I love it. Flag right here. We're back on the trail to get our bonus flag. We got a little ways to go, so let's see how it goes. Come on, boost, baby. Bonus flag now. That was pretty dang easy. The first few were actually harder than everything else. Good boy. Easy squeezy. Well, you guys ain't gonna be able to see much. However, we're gonna do our little night run now. I've only burned a quarter tank, and I've driven hard 63 miles with the ranch runner. So I think we got all of the group here, and all of them are Jeeps. I think I'm the only Dodge. Let's go have some fun doing the night run. Get her done. peeps, so I'm going to go ahead and end it there. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you were entertained as much as I was for the most part. I didn't do the best job recording everything, but other than that, please like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a good one.